Juicy, crispy, homemade sesame chicken. Try these small pieces of tender chicken coated in egg and cornstarch, deep fried until crispy with deliciously sweet, salty, and tangy sauce. Cheap and easy recipe for your next dinner. Chop green onions finely. Take 3 chicken breasts. It is around 700 grams. Chop them into small pieces. Put in a medium bowl. Peel and mince 3 garlic cloves. Add to the chicken. Add 45 milliliters of soy sauce, season with 1 teaspoon of salt, and ground black pepper. Three teaspoons of cornstarch, add the egg, mix well until combined. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Mix again. In a deep frying pan, heat 200 milliliters of olive oil for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the chicken. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes until golden brown on all sides. Put on the paper towels and set aside. Fry chopped onions for 2 to 3 minutes in a frying pan. Low or medium heat with some olive oil. Add 1 cup of the chicken stock, (80 milliliters of soy sauce, season with salt, add 3 teaspoons of ketchup, (1 teaspoon of sesame oil, (1 teaspoon of apple white vinegar, stir occasionally. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, whisk together half a cup of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Add to the pan. Simmer for 10 minutes until it thickens. Put the fried chicken in, toss for 1 minute. Sprinkle with sesame seeds and green onions. Pair with rice or vegetables and serve hot. Enjoy your homemade sesame chicken. Share your experience in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And subscribe to my channel for new, easy, delicious recipes.